Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the read aloud early instructions function in the TomTom Go application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the menu button at the bottom of the page on the left, and then scroll down and click on the settings button, and then click on the voices button, and at the instruction settings section look for the read aloud early instructions button, and to enable it just click on the white circle next to it, and once it turns blue this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.